Alright guys, I'll be walking you through how to denoise a video, how to remove the background noise, so it will be a practical session. So we'll be using this app, Noise Reducer. This is the app. If you can see it, this is the app we'll be using. So you can go to your Play Store and install the app. So let me remove this thing, bring it down. So go to your Play Store. You type noise reducer. This video, this particular one. Yes, as you can see, it's already installed in my phone. So I'll be going back. So all you need to do is, after installation, you click on it, you click on the app and allow it to open. So to avoid the distraction, I'll be closing this camera. Closing the camera. So I've closed the camera. So I'll be recording a video that has a background noise that we're going to use. So this is it. I'm going to record a video now. So as you can see here, this is a test video. You can hear, so I'm going to make it just short video. So go back. So after, what I'll do is I'll go back to the noise reducer, then open it. When it's open, then I'll import the video we just recorded. Where's the video I just recorded? Sorry, is it the video? No. Come in, let me search for the video. So we'll search for the test video. I think here is the test video. So it's extracting audio. Mind you, this
any platform can help you save
ads.
But
okay, as you can see, it's showing video processing finished. So you click on OK. So you can watch the denoised video. You can just click on it to watch video with a background. Let's see. You can see this is just nothing but a test video. You can all take note of the background. See, now the background noise have been removed. So all you need to do is you save the video using MP4 formats, then saving. Now saving successfully. Now okay. So all you need to do is just locate your gallery, click it, and it's there. So we have two videos. We have the original and the denoised. I'm going to play the two of them so that you listen to it. This is the original one. Now pay attention to the background.
You can see this is just nothing but the first video. You can all take note of the background.
I hope this is the original. You had the background music there. So this is the denoised one. So this is the one we have removed the noise.
Video with a background.
You see?
You can see this is just nothing but the first video. You can all take note of the background.
Yeah. Yes, you can see this is how it's done. Very easy. Well, if you find value in this video, I think you should subscribe to this channel. Thank you.